Did you know you can eat dessert for breakfast and actually feel amazing? Let's make it happen. Start with overnight oats. Add dates, vanilla, almond butter. Mix it up. Tastes like cookie dough, but keeps you full for hours. Next up, Greek yogurt parfait. Layer with crushed graham crackers and berry swirls. Boom, cheesecake for breakfast. Now for the smoothie bowl that tastes like brownie batter. Blend banana, cocoa powder, spinach, protein powder. You won't taste the veggies, promise. Finally, breakfast cookies. Mix oats, nut butter, honey. Bake for 5 minutes. Done. Here's the secret. Your taste buds detect sweet, vanilla, and creamy textures. They think dessert. But your body gets protein, fiber, and healthy fats instead of sugar crashes. The magic is in the ratios. Natural sweeteners satisfy cravings without the afternoon slump. Make these Sunday nice and grab them all week. Your morning self will thank you. Follow for more dessert breakfast hacks that actually work.